Alhamdulillah, we have now formally begun our first session of this 34th International Children's Health Conference 2026. And now, before inviting the President of Hamdard Foundation, Madam Sadia Rashid, Hilal-e-Imtiaz, I would like to give a brief introduction of her services. In her professional life, she had the privilege of working with and being mentored by Hakeem Mohammad Saeed. After his tragic assassination in 1998, she was chosen to head Hamdard Pakistan, one of the nation's largest philanthropic organizations, specializing in the fields of medicine and education from primary to postgraduate. She is a chairperson of the Hamdard Laboratories Waqf Pakistan and President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan. Since 2012, she has also been serving as the Chancellor of Hamdard University, the largest private university in the country and the only one offering courses in Unani, allopathic medicine and pharmacy, highlighting the theme of Hakeem Mohammad Saeed's, which is called Ittihad-e-Salasa, meaning the unity of these three fields of treatment. Madam Sadia Rashid's aim is not only to maintain her father's legacy, but keep it moving forward in his desired direction. So continuing to serve the nation, it's Hamdard's network of free clinics, free mobile dispensaries, and many other assistances and help for the needy. Also continuing are Hamdard's magazines and journals, Hamdard Naunihal, Hamdard Sehat, Hamdard Islamicus, Hamdard Medicus, and Historicus, the Journal of Pakistan Historical Society, sponsored by Hamdard. In addition to her responsibilities in Hamdard, Mrs. Sadia Rashid is trustee of Duke of Edinburgh's award program in Pakistan and is also president of the Pakistan-Japan Cultural Association, PJCA Sindh. For her contribution to furthering relations between the two countries and their people, she received the Order of Rising Sun Gold Rays with neck ribbon, a prestigious award given by the Emperor and the government of Japan in November 2018. Lately, she has been conferred the prestigious award Hilal-e-Imtiaz by the government of Pakistan for her unwavering dedication towards education. It's now my honor to invite the President of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, Mrs. Sadia Rashid, Hilal-e-Imtiaz, to deliver the welcome address.
Rahim. Honourable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Atta-ur-Rahman, dear delegates, researchers, participants and distinguished guests, and dear students, Assalam-o-Alaikum. On behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, I welcome you all to the 34th International Children's Health Conference 2026 being organized by Hamdard Foundation Pakistan here in Karachi, celebrating World Health Day. Today is not just a gathering, it is a meeting of minds, a celebration of ideas, and a promise for a healthier future. This year's theme, Together for Health, Stand with Science, by the World Health Organization carries a powerful message for all of us. In fact, if we look at the journey of the World Health Organization, we find that its annual themes have always revolved around one core idea, health for all. This year's theme is simply a stronger reminder of that vision. We can only achieve health for all we stand together and when we stand with science. And let me say this, do not let the word science scare you. I'm speaking to the children. Science is not something far away or difficult. It is already a part of your everyday life. Almost all of you here are blessed with education, something that many in the world still do not have. Even as young students, you already understand science in simple ways. You know that germs are not as big as elephants. You know that even a single drop of water can contain hundreds of tiny bacteria visible only through a microscope. This simple understanding is science. And this science helps us to stay safe, make better choices, and protect others. According to the World Health Organization, millions of people still lack access to essential health services, while preventable diseases continue to affect communities around the world. Yet, thanks to science through vaccines, clean water, and awareness, millions of lives are saved every year. This reminds us why standing with science is not just important, it is essential. What makes this conference truly special is its unique format. Here, knowledge is not only presented, it is experienced. In the morning sessions, researchers bring forward their scientific work, strengthening our understanding through evidence and discovery. And in the afternoon session, something equally inspiring happens. Our young delegates take the stage. They speak, they question, they inspire. The beautiful blend of science and young voices reflects the true spirit of today's theme, where experience meets curiosity and research meets expression. This vision was first imagined by Hakim Muhammad Said, who believed that children should not just learn from books, but from real-world platforms, where they can see, listen, and grow. He beautifully expressed the idea by saying that it is never too early to start them thinking about things that matter. At its heart, this conference shares a simple yet powerful idea. When we trust science and empower minds, we create a future that is healthier, brighter, and more informed. This conference is attended by Pakistani scientists, motivational speakers, members of the World Health Organization, doctors, scholars, journalists, international student participants, and many more, which creates a powerful platform, opening doors for all of you, especially our young generation, to learn, engage, and prepare themselves to become confident speakers, researchers, and leaders of the future. Thank you, and we look forward to your valuable participation in making this conference a great success. A special thank you, Dr. Atta-ur-Rahman, because you said you would come late and you are here right on time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madam Sadia Rashid, for your inspiring words and highlighting the importance of children's involvement in health awareness and scientific research.